What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my 22nd dividend payment with ARR, which is Armour Residential Reit. The ticker symbol is ARR. This is my 22nd dividend payment. I'm very excited to talk to you guys about this particular payment and show you currently where my stock portfolio lies. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, your boy's been investing for quite some time. I actually started way back in 2016. Then I got smacked around and I stopped around 2017, lost about $4,400. And then I decided to start reinvesting in 2020. Of course, it was around May 2020. Of course, coronavirus was running rampant. This seemed like a good time to invest in the stock market. Of course, I was trying to day trade, which is totally a waste of time and energy. For me personally, if you're smart enough to figure that out, go for it and make your money. However, I did not do well. So now my portfolio, most of it is heavily invested with Apple and Tesla, and then also dividend paying stocks such as Armour Residential Reit. So once again, I'm going to show you guys my 22nd dividend payment with Armour Residential Reit. This company pays dividends every single month, and this is very exciting because, of course, if I needed to, instead of reinvest my dividend payment, I would keep the money and spend it to support my lifestyle. But I'm only 44 years old, so I'm not necessarily worried about using my dividend payments to support my lifestyle. Okay, so right now, you guys, I'm going to share my computer screen with you guys, and you guys can see on the screen right now my current portfolio is sitting at $147,000, $197,000. I can't count. $197,000. My overall experience on Robinhood, I actually, like I said, back in May of 2020, I've invested basically $260,000. It was $260. Of course, Robinhood Gold took their $5 payment and knocked me back down to $259,995. Okay, so $260,000. So that's how much money I have invested in Robinhood. Currently, my portfolio is sitting at $197,000, which means that I am down $62,000 and some change. Okay. Obviously that doesn't feel good, but it's a stock market. Hopefully it will continue to go up because this is what it does over time. Okay. So as you guys can see today, because this is live, my portfolio is up $14,000, which is 7%. That's clearly a lot for one day. Normally when this occurs, I normally anticipate that tomorrow it'll go down a little bit. So that's currently where my portfolio is lying at the making of this particular video. And the reason why my portfolio is up so much is because Apple, because I have a large position with Apple. I'll show you guys Apple and Tesla. Okay, so Apple went up today 4.49%. Tesla went up 5%. I'm just going to open those two tabs and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So this is Apple. As you can see, it went up $6 today. So for me, my return on Apple today is up $8,000. Obviously, that's because I have a lot of shares with Apple. I currently have, at the making of this video, 1,281 shares. And then, of course, Tesla went up another 5% today. As you guys can see, that alone, today's return with Tesla is $2,000. So between Apple and Tesla, that's $10,000 alone today that my portfolio has gone up. Now, of course, the same is true on a bad day. My portfolio can easily go down 14,000 or more. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that to kind of keep it honest. All right, so as you can see here, this is Armour Residential Reit. It's currently trading for $5.88. My average cost per share is $10.48. Of course, I'm not happy about that. I currently have 1,293 shares, and my overall return, my total return with Armour Residential Reit, I'm down 43%, which is negative $5,954. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my most recent dividend payment that I got with Armour Residential on November the 29th. At the making of this video, it's currently November the 30th. Okay, so this was yesterday that I got the payment on November the 29th. and it was for $127.18. So at that particular time, I had 1,271 shares. Armour Residential Reit is paying 10 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $127.18. Now, once again, this was reinvested because I have dividend reinvestment turned on automatically on Robinhood. And at that particular time, they went ahead and grabbed some more shares. I'll show you guys here. I'll scroll down and show you guys where they reinvested. So as you can see, they grabbed another 21.9 shares, okay, which means if Armour Residential is paying 10 cents per share, another 21 shares means that I'm gonna get a my next payment is gonna be at least $2.10 more than the current payment that I got. Okay, so as you can see, once again, Robinhood was able to grab some shares, and at the time it was $5.79. Once again, Armour Residential Reit today, currently right now, because this is live, is trading for $5.88. So I guess that's not too bad because they purchased at $5.79. So that's kind of cool. But of course, as you can see, this is the chart for Armour Residential today, right? So at one point, Armour Residential was trading for $5.70, which was the lowest. And at one point, it was trading for $5.89. Currently, it's trading for $5.87. Okay, so it actually went down and now it went back up 1 cent. Okay, so Armour Residential is definitely an interesting relationship that I have. This is one of the more risky dividend paying companies that you can invest in. This is a REIT and they do pay dividends every single month. The dividend yield is insanely high and a lot of people wouldn't want to invest in a stock like this. The dividend yield is 20%. That's insanely high. Of course, people always worry about how long can they continue to pay this out. Now, what's interesting about dividend investing is the fact that I've gotten 22 payments and in regards to Armour Residential Reit. Now, if I needed to, I would have been able to use those payments to do whatever I want. Okay, even if I just wanted to get that payment and reinvest that money with a totally brand new company, I could totally do that. The balance would just sit in your brokerage account. Right now on the screen, you can see my buying power is $138,000, but that's not really my money because I'm using margin investing. That would explain why my buying power is so high. But if I wasn't using that, it would be $0. So when I got a dividend payment, let's say I got a dividend payment from Armour Residential Reit, my buying power would then be $127.18 because that was my most recent dividend payment, $127 here on the screen and 18 cents. Now, this is my 22nd dividend payment. So as you guys can see, I got my first back in February 26th of 2021. Then if I fast forward to February 28th of 2022, that is 13 payments. I know February to February should be 12, but it's 13 payments. And then of course you have March, which is 14, April is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 in October, and 22 November 29th, 2022. So this is pretty exciting. I mean, I personally know, once again, it's pretty risky to invest in a stock such as Armour Residential Reit, but sometimes you have to risk big. Most of the times you have to risk big in order to win big, to be quite honest with you. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, now, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.